So the first problem says that Maggie Company stock has a beta of 120, risk-free rate 4.5, market risk premium of 5%. We're trying to find the required return. So off rip, I know the formula that I'm going to use. It's here. Required return. Risk-free rate plus the market premium times beta. So for this problem, simple and straightforward, I'm just going to plug and chug. We're given the risk-free rate 4.5. I'm going to leave these as, I'm just not going to put them as percentages right now, and you'll understand later. The market risk premium is 5%. Beta is 1.2. So my formula says that I need to multiply market risk premium times the beta and add the risk-free rate. So I can just set this to equal this times this plus this. 10.5 is the required return. So now I can say that the answer is A.